beverage, can't bloody complain. Ew! So you can see the slip up here. Demolished our precious dummy batch at the bottom there. What are your first impressions?
Oh my god. Fucking hell.
It's brutal, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Worse than I thought, like just that there. That's a good example right there. Someone forgot to put the bins out.
This is our job here, is to dig out as much of that clump, because that can't get done by the digger.
Yeah, I see. So we just come in with spades, whack that shit out. That seems like a real achievable job. Nut. Jesus Christ.
Ah! Might seem like we've been digging for hours, but we haven't been.
Stricken as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll always love you.
Good morning, everybody. Seem to have lost a tooth. Woo.
Beautiful morning. Oh, that's good.
Show you our sleeping arrangement. Tent. You see it's pretty well constructed. Not very flat ground, but does the trick. And we've got one sleeping mat and one sleeping bag to share. That's all you need, isn't it? Worth it to wake up here though. What just happened?
Fortunately, the freezer, which has now got 7 months of meat, it's been cooking in the sun in the freezer, just fell over. Ah, it's possibly the rankest thing you'd ever smell, and we both were just spewing up, particularly Josh.
I vomited about 5 times.
Look at the ham. It's alright.
Bloody hell.
What are we gonna do?
I can't, holding your breath and hot closing it's a great idea. I'll just stay here.
Okay, rolling? I don't. It's the juice. Liquid there now. Oh.
Oh, look at these. Look at the colours.
So having some pizzas for lunch, then a bit more work, and then fishing.
Oh yeah.
We're literally burning pieces of the house to cook our pizzas, which is kind of satisfying in a weird way. Do you reckon we've made good progress so far?
Yeah, the start of the work felt like we weren't going to get anywhere. But after a couple of beers, it seems like it's going pretty well. Cut them up, mate. Dang, son.
Bloody good.
What are you eating? We're trying to rip this tree out of here. So the rope is broke. Still reckon it's a good idea. Let's go round 2. now, sir?
This is when you don't have a fridge, this is how you improvise. Which is what my granddad used to do back in the day. Little stove. Ice cold, baby. A little bit lukewarm, but better than being in the sun all day. Yeah. Oh, it's actually cold. Cooking our blue cod. Beautiful night.
Ah! Look, it's hot. How do you even do it? You
I don't know.
just flick it.
Yep.
Look
Look at that. Cutting the lemon with it. Pete's cutter. Look at the squeeze on there.
Fuck, you're onto it, fella, eh? Look at that. Oh man, too much lemon.
Look at that. That is a fish taco.
Cheers, mate.
Mmm.
Oh my god. Whoa. That's the best taco I've ever had in my entire life, I'm not kidding.
I agree.
Oh my god. And to think that was just swimming in the ocean like an hour ago. Undersized.
You killed it. Day 4?
Yeah.
We're starting to feel the effects of sleeping in the tent, sharing a sleeping bag, one half sleeping mat, no pillows, on a very steep hill, and digging all day. It's sore, but it's beautiful waking up today. Free your mind, free your soul, let's get wet, come on, let's roll! Oh, it's good. How you feeling? You look like shit.
This morning of day 4, second to last day. I'm toothless. I've got cuts on both my hands. My rib is maybe broken, but I think just bruised. I feel like a shell of the man I once was. Honestly, I feel like I've served at war or something. Now I know how veterans feel.
After probably three half days of digging, eh? Oh, how good, eh?
That's lovely. It's beautiful, Terry.
If I just pan to the left, you'll see the big stingray
Really?
coming past us. Looks pretty good.
Pain.
Tomatoes from the garden, chipotle,
Mm.
some ham, and a lovely view. Not him. So this is our last night in the Sounds. We've decided to change up the scenery. So tonight we're going to sleep in the boat. So we're out at a very remote place called Turawa where you can buy beers. So we're going deep into the Sounds, catch a couple of blue cod, have a picnic on the beach, and then sleep in the boat. Look how beautiful it is. Lucky to live in Aotearoa. See you later.
See you, mate.
Go on, you mate. Oh, nice.
Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, the effort will go to make someone laugh. Hopefully they find it funny. I could leave him. I could leave him right there. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Next goal.
Dinner.
Catch 2 cod. That's all we need for tacos. We won't be greedy.
Three was good last night, though, eh?
I didn't think we needed 3.
Well, I was the one who didn't even eat it. You ate it, you fat cunt.
I've caught the gold suit. Hopefully all we need is 2 cod. We're not greedy, boys.
You on?
Yeah, that's something. So what we need is a 33 centimetre cod. I think it's pretty bloody close.
Oh, definitely, I'd say.
So measure him. 33 is the legal limit. Get it there. Fucking fish tacos on the beach, baby!
What's happening, sir?
Just arrived. We're gonna cook some fish tacos.
What's it all about?
End of a lovely 4 days. This is where we're having our dinner. So you're milking a cow.
This is how you scramble eggs. How you do it? Okay. Okay. You seal it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's split. It's a bloody good idea.
Like, yeah. Beautiful. You time that or what? I don't get how you can do it that well. Oh my god.
The jalapenos. This is juice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's friggin' perfect.
Look at that sunset.
Unbelievable.
Have you had a good time?
I've survived. Only just. Nah, look at that sunset. Unbelievable. Blue cod here on the beach. Can't think of anything better.
Porky.
Porky. Fucking porky. It's the worst fucking week of my life.
She is gorgeous.